Turning on or off the Link to Windows shortcut allows you to quickly connect or disconnect your device from a Windows PC, streamlining the process for managing notifications and sharing content between your phone and computer. Here's how it's done. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the Settings icon. On the Settings page, scroll down and select Accessibility. Next, tap on Advanced Settings. Then, tap on Accessibility button at the top of the menu. Scroll down and tap on Select Actions. In the list that appears, find and tap on Link to Windows. When prompted, tap Allow from the pop-up. Once selected, a blue checkbox will appear, indicating that Link to Windows has been added to the Accessibility shortcut menu. You can now quickly toggle the feature on or off using this shortcut. To remove it, simply deselect the checkbox, and it will no longer appear in the Accessibility menu. And that's it. You can now tap the Home button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.